Hello and welcome everyone on my channel. I hope you are doing great in your life. So today in this video I would be covering that if you are somebody who has to start your CLAT preparation after your class 12, so when is the right time you should start your preparation? So if you are somebody who is going to start their CLAT preparation, what is the correct time that you should start for your preparation? So for all the 12th out there or somebody who is aspiring to get into law, the very important thing that you have to get in your mind is that you have to thorough with the syllabus. You have to always be thorough with the syllabus. You really need to know what is going to come in the syllabus. So a proper knowledge before starting the preparation is that be thorough with the syllabus. Do and when you start your preparation, do very importantly keep in mind that what are the previous questions. Have a glimpse of the previous question papers in the very start before the preparation. These are the certain tips I would like to say to you so that it becomes very easier for you while you start for your preparation. After doing these two things, make very sure that you allot certain time limit for yourself, that in within that time duration you would be covering the entire syllabus, or you would be reaching the target what you have set for yourself. Once you have done that, after that comes a very important stage in which you have to make sure that you are attempting the test series and all the relevant things which is required so that your preparation is boosted enough. This is the stage when your preparation is completely done and you are very confident enough that you are ready to write the paper. So with this I would like to say that there are certain misconceptions and the myths, or you can say the doubts. These I would be also covering in this video regarding CLAT and its preparation. First is regarding the coaching. Is it really very necessary that you cannot clear CLAT without a coaching? The answer is really no. Like, you just need to be thorough with what is coming, and the relevant study material you need to always have. The test series part you can always join with, enroll with certain coaching centers, and in that you can actually do your preparation. But is coaching necessary? It entirely depends on you. Are you able to manage the coaching? And in case if you are a student who is studying in certain school, are you able to manage the school and the coaching? The second thing is, do you really require a coaching? Third is, where do you find, like, every coaching, I'm not against coaching. Like, if you are somebody who needs the coaching, you should definitely so, but before that you really need to access and you need to assess yourself that are you somebody who really need a coaching, do you really want it or not. So this is something you need to keep in mind. Now coming to general knowledge, now this is something which is very important. Many students try to skip, but this is something you really need not to skip. You should never think of skipping, because general knowledge play a very important part, not just in this examination, but definitely in this examination there are many things from general knowledge, but as a law student too, you should be very thorough with the general knowledge and everything. So I would like to say for this question that yes, your general knowledge part, your legal reasoning part, all these things should be very thorough. It should be on the tips of you, that you are very confident enough while you are attempting the question in the main examination, that you are able to face the questions very well. With this I would like to end my session. Thank you and have a great day.